Hak election Jied Nongket kam bertemai ke National People's Party NPP nak bentak samoi trekam Jongsnam arja arpusan adu arja arpupra kebalapan long hak kat santri ulber arja arpusan hak ke Constitutional Club of India New Delhi Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke sangma namar ke jingbam don ke bayale persya ayu ula Shah Jied Biang National President ke parti. Kat bahaya kalok jauh Menteri Rangba ke Jela ke Mehtab Si Chandi ke bedai ke MLA na Gambe Grey kalau Shah Jied Biang ke National Treasurer jauh ke parti badah ke bayar daipat bat ke Kam General Secretary la bensyat hau Menteri Berem bat Working President Berem ke NPP na Arunachal Pradesh upak nga bage. Hak ni kesengi kalau dan ru ke jing ai jing mud nakal yang ba Preston tensang State President ke Jela Meghalaya bat kum juru nakal yang Ujoy Kumar Singh State President ke Manipur bantung no ya Working President ke parti hak ba kila penpau ya ke kerteng James Sangma ubabat barok syikat takum National General Secretary. Lapan tip baka National Executive Committee jong ke NPP arja arpusan arja arpupra an sepelat syan haki sengi banwan.
I very humbly accept this responsibility that has been given to me to continue to work and to serve as the President of the National People's Party. I also would like to congratulate the newly elected General Secretary organization, Mr. Biang, who again has been somebody who has worked very closely with us for many years. Mr. Biang is a former cabinet minister from the government of Arunachal and MLA, and of course he was the working president of the state unit of Arunachal Pradesh for a very long time. And while our president of course was there, but he was also the candidate, and it was Mr. Biang who had to roam and work as the working president and conduct the campaign for all the other candidates throughout Arunachal Pradesh. So he comes with a load of experience about organization as well as politics and governance, and therefore I know that Arunachal Pradesh will be quite unhappy to lose him as working president, but he will be of a great help to the national committee, and once again I congratulate him for being elected unopposed to the post of General Secretary. I also would like to congratulate Dr. Mehtab Sangma for being elected once again unopposed for the post of National Treasurer. And it is during her time as the Treasurer, the accounts and details of all the books and as per the requirement from the Election Commission, the accounts have been made in order and have been submitted, and I'm very confident that in the coming years also the same discipline will be followed, and we'll ensure that our accounts are in order. I also would like to share with you that within a very short period of time I will be constituting a new committee at the national level.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.